Hi, this is a comparison between an Omni 6 with no options and a Tec Paragon. Right now, both radios you can see look alike. The Omni has extra large digital reading, a digital readout, and the Paragon is much smaller. Okay, now the clock on this one here just reads the hour. This clock on a Paragon reads the hour and the seconds. It also has a date and a tag if you want to put your call sign up there. This here has a voice module which just reads the frequency. This one here has no voice module in it right now, but if it did, with the guile chip, it would read the frequency, the mode, and which VFO you were using. The Omni has a RIT and it has a RIT knob. The Paragon has a RIT, but it's called RX off, and you use the PTO knob. The Omni goes from 160 to 10 megahertz. The Paragon from 100 kilohertz to 30 megahertz. The Paragon has CW, upper sideband, lower sideband, FSK, and FM. The Paragon has CW, upper sideband, lower sideband, AM, receive only, for broadcast and shortwave. It has, if you install the FM module, you also will have FM. Paragon has 6 kilohertz, 2.4, 1.8, 0.5, and 0.25 filters. The Omni has 2.4, 1.8, 0.5, 0.25, and it has a slot for NAR, which another filter for, say, FSK. You can also add extra filters in the Omni. You can't in the Paragon. The Paragon is set up, it has a QRP mod in it. It'll go from 5 watts to 100 watts. The Omni goes from 0 to 100 watts. The meters are the same. The Omni has DSP, auto, or passband tuning, and notch and manual. The DSP is for only phone and receive only. The Paragon has passband tuning and a notch filter. It also has an RF gain. The volume control is here on the Omni, and the volume control is here on the Paragon. The Omni has a menu that will show up here. The Paragon doesn't. All the adjustments on the Omni are in the front. On the Paragon, they have some in the back. They both have 2 VFOs. This has 100 memories and this has about 60. If you use the guile chip, you get more options. It's supposed to make it like a Paragon 2. I've never had a Paragon 2, so I don't know what those extras would be. The Guile chip is worth the money. With the Guile chip, you use the PTO to change frequencies, time, and it also has a lot of different options in it. You can pick your bands right here. And on the Paragon, you can also do the same thing. There's a new radio out right now that just installed that, and Tentec's had it for over 20 years. I know there's a lot more things for this radio here, the Omni, but I've only had it a week, so I don't really know everything that's in it yet. Both of them are nice radios, and other than this having no DSP, if you want DSP, you can get an audio filter from different manufacturers. Right now, I have it set up now. If you want to see what it sounds like, the volume goes up. These things here, when you use them, they do bring the volume down a little bit, but they cut out the background noise. Well, seems like there's not too much on right now. But that's about what I can do right now for comparison. Like I say, they're both nice. You can pick these up cheap. As far as the background static, that's a problem with the area here. It's on all the radios. I have several. And the way I get them off is with this. YouTube also will show you, there's some people on YouTube that show you what they do for background noise like that. So right now I got to keep this time down, so that's all I'm going to say for now. I hope you enjoyed it.